My name's David Hillman. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for the Fendt wheeled tractors. So it's my job to look after all of the tractors that come out of our factory in Marktoberdorf, Germany, from our small compact 200 series tractor all the way up to our 500 horsepower 1000 series tractor. Today I have the pleasure of introducing our brand new 700 Gen 7 tractor. For the 700 Gen 7 we bring in our brand new Fendt Vario drive transmission. So it's a transmission that's been proven in our 1000 series and our 900 series. So we know that this technology is capable of going into tractors at 500 horsepower if we look at it purely at our wheel tractors. Whereas now we bring that down into this horsepower category. So going into probably more detail on how that works, we do away with the concept of a four-wheel drive tractor and we introduce what would be an all-wheel drive tractor. The key shift away from our Vario transmission to our Vario drive is the introduction of a second hydro motor. So we go from the technology in our Vario transmission of one hydro pump to one hydro motor, to now we have the hydro pump delivering an oil flow to a motor that drives the rear wheels and a motor that drives the front wheels. So it becomes an all-wheel drive tractor. Some of the key features of that is, from the operator's point of view, they no longer need to engage or disengage four-wheel drive as it's required. The tractor is taking over that function completely by itself. So for this transmission, we go from the Vario transmission that has a dual range, two-range transmission, to a single-range transmission. So it's an infinitely variable single-range transmission from 20 metres per hour to 60 kilometres per hour in its stepless operation. Some of the key advantages with that is reduced soil disturbance on turning, whereas traditional four-wheel drive tractors are driving the front wheels continuously at the same revolutions. So in turning, you have a tractor that will tend to pull out of the turn and disturb a lot more soil, whereas with a Vario drive transmission, where it's taking that all-wheel drive concept through its torque distribution to the wheels, the effect is quite the opposite. Instead of pushing you out of the turn, it pulls you into the turn. So it's creating a tractor that will deliver its maximum torque to the ground, particularly in tight turns or in turning in the paddock with implements on the back or ground engaging work being done. It's delivering that power equally to the wheels via that torque distribution. Today I have the pleasure of introducing our brand new 700 Gen 7 tractor. We're also excited to bring into this range what we call our Fendt ID engine. So this tractor carries a brand new AGCO power plant. It's a 7.5 litre 6-cylinder engine and introduces what we call our Fendt ID, or low revving engine concept. Some of the key features or key benefits to you as a customer when we talk about our Fendt ID engine is a lower fuel burn, lower fuel use, lower wear and tear on the engine. So we see the engine achieving that maximum torque at that much lower RPM. So there's a lot less movement to the engine, so therefore a lot less wear and tear on the engine, and with that a lot less fuel burn. And so we deliver our speed at 40 kilometres an hour at 950 RPM, 50 kilometres an hour at 1200 RPM, and a 60k road speed, which is available in our 726 and 728. That will be achieved at 1450 RPM. So the engine is a key differentiator between what we offer at Fendt compared to much of the competition on the market. So that's a big advantage when we look at the 700 Gen 7.